Analog and digital signals. Electrical signals can be divided into two types, analog and digital. 1. Analog signal. Analog signals change continuously and smoothly over time. Thus, the general characteristic of an analog signal is that its output changes in proportion to its input. 2. Digital signal. Digital signals change on and off intermittently over time. The general characteristic of a digital circuit is that its output changes suddenly when its input increases to a certain level. For example, while the input increases from 0 volts to 5 volts, the output remains at 0 volts until the input reaches 5V. However, the output jumps suddenly to 5 volts at the instant the input reaches 5V. On and off indicate whether a signal is being sent or not. Normally, on is represented as 1 and off as 0. When a voltage is used as an input signal, it is necessary to make a certain voltage as standard. Then, all voltages above the standard voltage are 1 signals, and those below it are 0 signals. For example, if the standard voltage of 5 volts is set, the computer will determine that 9 volts, 7 volts, and 6 volts signals are 1, and that each of these represents an input signal. Signals of 2 volts and 0 volts, on the other hand, will be considered 0, and no input signal will be considered to exist.